Welcome to the Crypto Fix, presented by btminers. This is your man Ant. In this episode, we're going to talk about scams. We get a lot of phone calls of people being scammed and trying to scam us. We picked 3 of the wildest scams we have dealt with. We'll show you how to spot a scam. Yes, every industry has scammers. Because crypto is still new, it has so much barriers, crypto gets a bad rep that's put out there, and that narrative that crypto industry is full of low lives because it's not real money, it's nothing but the bottom of the bottom. Let's dive in. In BT Miner news, make sure you take advantage of our repair services. We know that miners break down from time to time, and being out of warranty can be costly. We offer those repairs you need so you can keep those fans spinning at top performance. Electricity is expensive to run these miners, but BT Miners now offer hosting services to help ease that cost. You have remote access to your miner, making sure everything is meeting your standards while you aim to build a better future. Links to these services will be in the description. In our first scam, we received a phone call from an elder woman stating that she had $84K worth of Bitcoin waiting for her and she had a few days to claim it, or it would be gone. Here's the twist. She don't know how much she's been paying. How do BT miners come into play? She called us asking for help to receive that $84,000. We advised her that we cannot help her, let her know she's being scammed. But when someone tells you you have money waiting and you've been making monthly payments for a few years, there's nothing anyone can say. Let's take in the fact that she's on a fixed income and that $84,000 could change her life. In our second scam, we do get a few phone calls of this every time. I find hilarious. So in this scam, people will call us to let us know that we created an algorithm that can mine Ethereum on A6 GPU and CPU. They just need someone to fund the idea. Hear me out. If I develop that algorithm, I'll be at the next trade show displaying my idea and selling myself to the highest bidder. You will never hear from Ant ever again. Back to the scam. When we tell them, if you created this, why are you telling us? They get angry and hang up on us. These scammers, I tell you. And our third scam, people call us asking how to withdraw Bitcoin from the pool. So this scam works like this. You'll make monthly payments of $64 a month for 1 to 2 years. And after that time period, you'll get 1 Bitcoin. During the recording of this, Bitcoin is at 65,000. That can help relieve any debt or need it. After the time frame, they will call us again, ask us to retrieve that 1 Bitcoin waiting for them. We always advise them that we cannot help them. They get upset. They can't get that Bitcoin that's waiting for them. Or they invest $300 and they got $5,000 or $10,000 worth of Bitcoin waiting for them. In conclusion, we know that people get scammed every day. But if we hear a scam, we do tell those individuals it's a scam. Do not put any money into this. Then again, when you're promised 1 or 3 Bitcoins, who's really listening to us? We advise them that we sell crypto miners, and that's it. We wish we could help you not to be scammed. If you have any scam encounters, drop them in the comment section. Share your story with others. This has been the Crypto Fix, presented by BT Miners. Please subscribe and like the video. Follow BT Miners on all social media platforms. Share this video with others. This is your man Ant. Until next time, happy mining.